Well, a bit chilly, but there's no frost today. Good morning, it's me, it's Johnyboy. I'm back in the office. Very late last night. I am looking a bit tired, but I'm actually feeling a lot better because it's been a really hectic few weeks. Look, terms and conditions, that's what I want to touch on this morning. Terms and conditions are so important. They're there to protect both parties, and as long as we adhere to what we've agreed before we started the job, then everything should tick along like a grandfather clock. In this case, it has been like a grandfather clock. You know, for the consumer and the contractor, we need to do what we've agreed to, and if we don't, sometimes it just spoils it a little bit, you know, and then you have to bring it back on track, and sometimes getting it back on track to where you were can be difficult. But we're going to see what we can do today. Cool. All right, if you look at the building now, the camera's looking at now, that is the courts, isn't it, Andrew? That's the courts, render system. A few weeds coming at the side there.
White
that was looking clean. But this building here, this is the passport office in Newport. And if you have a look at it, the render system on here is being severely compromised. Look at that, absolutely awful. So, if I was a customer, I wouldn't be happy about that. That's supposed to be a civil building, and it's looking disgusting, to be honest.
Do this for a living, picking from that.
There we go, we're having a delivery. We've had to come back for a delivery. We got another delivery coming somewhere else, and we're having another delivery now. Well, I want to show you this now. This is that weed now. This is that, well, it's not weed, it is invasive. This is Houtinia. It's a ground cover plant. Absolutely smells awful, like, but it does the trick in respect to ground cover. But you can see how the root systems go way down into the ground. So we just got to take that out. It's got to be removed. You can't have that underneath your sub base. So we've got to pull it out completely. You want to take a look at that? Well, here we are. Like a rat in a drain pipe, that's what it is. All underneath here was all this debris, and then we found this manhole, okay, and we found this manhole here. So there's two manholes here. We had a little bit of leaf gone down in there, but we'll make sure that that's all cleaned out, so that's all done now.